Hello, this is Death Sizzy, and today we're playing Resident Evil 4, the HD version, on the PC. And we've just started out here. Some guys have dropped us off in the middle of nowhere, by the looks of it.
And now they're
Don't shoot
not
him.
doing much.
Get this over with, will you?
He doesn't sound very happy with it.
He doesn't. He sounded pretty pissed off at the fact that I was pointing a pistol at his
That's
face.
kind of the wrong way.
Not that way, cowboy.
Hey, bro, you don't tell me what to do.
See, he's not very happy with it.
I'm fucking Leon. I do what I want. Hey, I don't want to go there.
Forget your makeup or something?
Fuck you.
He's not very nice.
No, he's a
I think we need to go to this house
shoot
and
him in his fucking dick.
Get
Shoot your fucking dick off.
Don't waste the bullets.
I can't shoot him anyway. I'll just knife him a few times.
Right, let's go into this house over here. See
Okay.
what there is.
Crow must die.
Oh god, poor crow. Ugh.
Is that a crow?
Yeah, I think
shit,
yeah.
anyway. Oh, that's sweet. Oh, crows drop things?
Yep, everything drops things when you kill it. I really don't get this.
If you kill it, it drops things.
Yep, you kill it, it drops things. By the way, everybody, this is Sizzy's first time playing Resident Evil 4. I've played it quite a bit, and he has no idea what's happening or anything really.
Who was looking through that window?
Yeah.
It was you! Okay, that was really slow. That was meant to be like a...
Oh,
Oh,
I can hear coughing.
I don't think he's well.
No, he's probably not. He
On his
looks a bit
deathbed.
cold. Yeah. He looks a bit drafty in this
It
place.
does actually, yeah. Windows are pretty naff.
Oh, he's got his fire going.
Sir?
Oh,
That's good.
oh, sexy butt. Hey sir, you got a sexy butt.
He's just ignoring you, putting these logs on the fire.
God man, I'm just trying to compliment you. Accept me as your lover.
Oh,
Did he have blood on the back of his
I
head?
was wondering if you might recognize a girl in this photograph.
he might be a bit ginger. I think he's a bit ginger.
Yeah, he's graying out a bit. I think he's getting out of it.
His eyes look a bit.
Fuck, is he speaking like Latin, some sort of fucking satanic language? Hey, sexy bum.
What, like Latin, some kind of satanic language?
No,
Oh god.
it's more commonly used as... I swear to God, shoot him in his face. Shoot him in his fucking face right now.
Oh.
What?
What? You're facing the wall. Shoot him. Quick, get him.
Shoot him in the willy. Yes, yes. Okay, here's this.
Oh. What are they doing?
Is that our buddy's going?
Nope, it looks like a truck.
Why is there some faggot coming to the house?
Oh
Oh no, what the fuck? Okay, I don't want to go out there. That sounded like they've just...
Oops.
What's happened to our buddies then? What's happened to our law
I think they've
enforcement
been.
friends?
Do you know that bridge you went over where you weren't supposed to go over? I think they've kind of gone over that bridge and
They've
died.
left us.
They've left us now.
I'm
Get
gonna go
out of
check.
there and head toward the village. Take whatever measures.
Shut up.
Oh god.
Shut up. Shut up.
Oh, it sounds like they're coming for us now.
Nope, we don't go up there.
Bullets.
Oh, yes, I want those.
It'd be handy.
I'm gonna reload. Ooh. Yeah. You ain't gonna get me now. Oh, shit.
He nearly got you. Oh,
No,
he's quite low. You're not going to get him when you're so far away.
No,
he's going to get you.
no.
Well, that was lucky.
Okay.
Like 3
Okay.
minutes into the game and you're already dying.
Okay, we'll go back to my buddies. I want to see what's going on with them.
They're a bit lost.
Hey.
Oh, they've been pushed over the
They've gone?
cliff.
Oh no. Whoa, the bridge is gone. Hey, buddy.
I don't
Well,
think
do you know, part of me thinks they can't. I'm kind of glad that they're dead because they were pricks.
they were. I don't think we're getting back though.
No. Ha! I'm glad you're dead. Is that really all he can say in that situation is, oh no? I'd be fucking crying.
Be like,
Probably just
whoopsies.
jump off the cliff. Fuck this.
Oh. You shooting crows again?
Yep,
You're going to go through this game and you're going to shoot every single crow.
that's the aim. Okay, bullets.
More bullets.
More bullets.
Right, crack open them boxes.
Bullets.
Now you just wasted them all. You could have
That's
used your
okay.
knife instead.
It's okay.
But
I
no,
picked up bullets.
you decide to waste bullets.
Oh, did I take the weed?
Yeah, you picked up the green herb.
It was weed.
It could have been, well,
Marijuana. Yes, I'll have that.
I got the money.
I'll also have that.
Oh,
Oh, grenade. Sweet. Hey, dog. I'll shoot you in your face. I'll let you go.
Yep.
No, shoot in the face?
No, don't shoot it in the face.
Okay.
Let it go. There we go.
Come back, doggy. Be my friend.
He's just disappeared into really bad textures.
Be my friend, doggy.
Alright, let's carry on.
Dang.
What's further down this path? Oh.
Oh my fucking... fucking hell.
Ah,
Jesus Christ. I don't like this game. Okay, let's carry on.
a bit nervous, sire. A bit nervous.
I see you, bomb. Bombs aren't really well hidden, are they?
You could just like walk around them, to be honest.
That's less fun though. No, 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 no.
At least see where you're shooting first before just randomly.
No, no, he's dead. He's dead. It's over.
Oh, he hasn't dropped anything though. That's not good.
Maybe he's not completely dead. Crows anywhere around here?
No, there's no crows. Just carry on. Come on. This video is going to be like a year long, and we're not even got to the like first proper bit yet. Oh,
What the fuck?
About somewhere.
What the fucking pussy? Yeah. Shoot you in the throat. Where the fucking hell are they?
They're about somewhere.
Hey.
Oh, there he is.
Hey, you.
Oh,
I
coming
shoot
right
you in the
ahead.
head. I shoot you in your nipple. Oh, come on, aim properly, dude.
Go around the tree instead of trying to aim through trees. There we
He's
go.
fucking, look at him though, he's fucking scary. Yeah.
You missed boxes in that house as well. So.
I know, I was going back. Oh look, more weed. Thank you. Okay, knife.
Use your knife, yes.
Yes,
Instead of wasting bullets.
It's not a waste. I want more.
That's a skeleton hand.
Hey baby.
That's nice.
Hey baby. I knife you. I knife your boobies.
I think she's already dead.
I shoot the boobies off.
Don't.
Booby gun.
You're just wasting bullets.
I
Come
only
on,
have
let's-
6 bullets
come on.
left now.
Let's cross this bridge. What's across this bridge?
Tell me this guy dropped bullets. No, stop
No.
dropping Peters. Look how he's getting high. No, you don't. No, you don't. Oh, what?
Don't.
Okay,
They
that was-
can't get you from up there, so just leave
Well, I
them.
thought I could get them. That would have been nice. No, 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 no.
Just shoot him in the head. Come on. There we go.
Okay, I've got 1 bullet. Let's make this count.
Yes.
There we go. Now I don't have any bullets. Oh, look, bullets. Sweet.
More bullets.
And half your box. Oh, I missed. Like that. Ah, look, he's dying.
He's just slowly limping.
Slowly limping.
Ouch. Ouch.
I
Ouch.
don't want to go through there. I'll
Why
go
not?
back here because it looks spooky.
Well, we can't get back through there because the bridge is broken
Oh yeah.
and is we're a bit screwed.
I
So I think we need to go through that door.
I think I'd much prefer to take like a chance at jumping across the bridge.
No, we need to go through the door.
God damn it, game.
Oh, who's this going to be? Oh, it's her again.
Leon.
Can you leave me alone?
Bad
Do you
question.
know there's really
Sorry to hear
evil
that.
people?
I'm sending you a playing manual.
I don't want to play in menu.
I'll take a look at it, thanks.
Why would you like take your time out of this very dangerous situation to
There we
look
go.
at
Just flick through it. Just come on. Just exit it.
Wrong buttons, wrong buttons, wrong buttons.
There we go.
Okay, let's see what's going on.
Just limp to this town.
Uh-oh.
Oh god.
What are you doing? Hey, what are you doing?
Oh, we've got.
What are you
What
doing
we got?
up there? Hey.
Oh, we've got a burning policeman.
Oh,
That's nice.
what you doing at him? Hey, what you doing, chicken? Look at that chicken, sexy
a
butt.
random chicken.
Hey, shake that butt.
You've got all these mad people.
Shake
who've
that
been
booty. Shake
killing
that
us.
booty. Shake that booty like there's nothing to it.
Ah,
This guy's just pushing a wheelbarrow
yeah,
around.
just
like,
pushing wheelbarrow.
oh, we have some straw. This guy's just shoveling
See,
shit.
these guys aren't too bad, you know?
Yeah, these guys look mellow. These guys look friendly, but I don't think they will be. That door looks really fucking creepy too. I feel like that's the door that we're gonna have to go through.
Possibly.
Maybe in the next episode.
Yeah.
Who
Alright.
knows?
We'll leave it then.
We'll leave it there.
Alright. Thanks for watching, guys.
Don't forget to like, comment, rate, subscribe,
See
and
you-
whatever else you need to do on the whole interwebs.
Yeah. See you next episode.
See you next episode.
Come here. That's all I'm doing tonight.